Oh, I don't know how to explain this place. It looks like a rich people boat made it. And I was like, oh my god, dude. Whoa, boys. And I love Minecraft. It's like, Minecraft's awesome! You know I'm Herobrine, right? No. Then you're me. You ruin everybody's dreams. Gamers. And who are these people? And I was like, when's the new girl gonna come? Are you still coming to the brink on her? Yeah, of course. Go fill this cup up with some nice cold water. Okay, I'll be right back then. Okay, I probably didn't work perfect. Oh, hi. Are you the new girl? Yeah. Okay then. Nice to meet you.